If you own a cake business, I'm going to show you how to track your orders and your client contact information. There's an order form, a price list. You can track your income and expenses, your inventory, and even calculate your profit margin and your pricing for your cakes. I'm going to show you how this works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel on my website at savvyandthriving.com. Okay, so here we go. So first we want to put in the order date. We'll put in the name of the customer, their address, email, phone, and then what is it that they're buying. Of course, this is cake. Let's say it's chocolate. And then the icing, let's call it, this put as a chocolate icing. How much is your cake? How many did they buy? If there's a delivery fee, and then how much are you charging them total? You can put how much you've received. This will calculate your total revenue and your number of sales. If there's an event date associated with this cake, and you need to know, like, I need to deliver it at a certain date and time, you can keep track of that as well. So we can put the event date, the location, the address, the delivery time, how many guests, if you've received payment, and if this order is complete. So everything is all on this one sheet. This is a really helpful order form. You can put the order number, the order date, the name of the client, their address, email, and phone, and then what are they buying. So we're going to buy that chocolate cake. They're going to buy, let's say they're going to buy 2, and then it will give the total. There is also tax and a delivery fee if you wanted to change that, and then a grand total as well. You can put the delivery date, the location, and time as well, if that's helpful. And then you can put your bakery information here, or you can also upload your logo and put that here on the bottom. This is a blank order form that you can print out and use. This is a price list so that you can send to your customers. And there's a price as well. This is your bookkeeping dashboard. This will help you to track your total annual income and expenses. You can click on the chart to see your income by month, and you can click on this chart to see your expenses by month. You can manually type in your profit goal. That's the only thing really you can change on this sheet. The only other thing that you might want to change is if this isn't 2026, you wanted to come in to the formula box, you can change it to 2027, hit enter, and it will change everything all the way down for you. So this will tell you your income, expenses, and tax, and net profit for each month of the year. This is where we're going to put in the income. So we can choose a date, choose the type. We're going to put it in as an expense. No income for that. We're going to spend $24 and then $2.40 in tax. This is your inventory tracker, and this is really great to track all of the items that you have in stock, to know how much is your inventory valued at, and also what supplies do I have and what do I need. So we can put in here, we can choose from the drop-down box, and then we can put in the description, the quantity, the price per item, and then the value. So as we put in more items, it will calculate the total value of all of your inventory. This is your recipe calculator. I think this is the most exciting part, because this will help you to figure out how much to sell your product for. So we can come in and put the name. Let's see, we'll put a chocolate. And then here on the left, it will show you your cost for ingredients. So we can come in here and put the item name. how many cups is in your full package. So say it's 40 cups in a whole package. You can choose from the drop down box the unit. And how much did it cost for your flour for the whole package? So this is $25. And then how much cups do I need? So I'm going to say 3.5 cups, and it will calculate your total cost. Here on the right side is to calculate your preparation. So planning, prep, baking time, decorating, and so on. So we can pay our staff, $15 an hour. How long did it take you to plan, prepare, bake, and decorate your item? And then how much did packaging cost? If there's a delivery that's done, you can say we drove 10 miles, reimbursement of 70 cents per mile, so it costs $7 to deliver. This will calculate everything for how much this cost you to make this cake. And then we are going to look here at our profit margin section, and then that will help us to figure out, okay, how much are we going to sell our product for? And if we wanted to make at least 50% profit, we're going to up the price. If we are okay with less, we can do less, and it will bring down the profit margin. So for this, if you're going to sell one cake for $50, you're going to have a net profit of 15, profit margin of 31%. This is a blank recipe calculator to keep you organized. Just make sure if you make a copy of it that you also just always keep each line as number 1 for the full package amount, and then the costs, the formula for the costs to be there as well. And then lastly, this is a handy measurement conversion chart for you to use. So that's how this sheet works. Hope this helps you. Again, it's available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. There's a link below to this sheet if you'd like to purchase it. There's over 400 sheets available on my website to help your business and your home, your budget, and things like that. So feel free to take a look around. Let me know if you have questions, and you guys have a wonderful day.